Hi, and welcome to my presentation on the New Directions and Checkers program at Comprehensive Behavioral Healthcare. The mission statement for CBH Care is to provide the optimum behavioral healthcare that is aligned with consumers and community needs, and they do this in a variety of ways. The New Directions program is a therapeutic after-school program for adolescents who are in need of intensive structured therapy to address serious emotional and behavioral issues. This program provides community-based therapeutic services and may eliminate the need for more restrictive out-of-home interventions and placements, and is relatively inexpensive. Checkers, or comprehensive therapeutic services for developmentally disabled adolescents with psychiatric needs, is tailored towards developmentally disabled and low-functioning adolescents for their emotional and behavioral issues, and is a one-of-a-kind program for adolescents with complex needs that provides community-based specialist clinical services. The New Directions program runs Monday through Thursday from 4 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. They have family therapy sessions, intake evaluations, and psychiatric appointments, which may be scheduled outside of regular program hours. Available transportation, monthly weekend recreational and dinner outings, coordination for all services form fee. They work with you, come to payments, and immediate response to referrals, psychiatric evaluation, ongoing assessment, medication monitoring, all different types of therapies, and a point and level system to chart treatment progress. You start off at level 1, which is the lowest, and you start at level 4, which allows you to most input into your treatment plan and privileges, and you have to be on level 2 to go on these outings. And I am supposed to take over a therapy session, and I want to tailor it around positive coping mechanisms, like doing yoga. And the main difference with Checkers is that they have independent living activities. And these two programs are centered around group therapy sessions, so they will be working primarily in Quadrant A, which is working with clients on their behalf of Wood and Tooley's 2006 frame of reference model. They work in Quadrant C, which is they work with others, for example, non-clients for the behalf of clients of Wood and Tooley's 2006 frame of reference model when obtaining referrals. They work with psychiatric hospitals, concerned caregivers, CMOs, primarily in Bergen and Passaic County, and another program ran to CBH Care called Kearney Adolescent Residential Experience Care. I see an issue with maintaining, enforcing, an impact with consumers that I work with if their caregivers are not enforcing and applying what I and other staff have taught the consumers. And many of these consumers desire to attend the program twice a week, so I have to be diligent with written documentation. And there's a variety of consumers coming in Monday through Thursday, and the determination date for successful completion of the program can range from 6 months to a year, so it's innately difficult for me to put a name to a face with the New Directions and Checkers program. Some ethical issues that I will expect to encounter is there seems to be a lack of diversity of staff at the New Directions and Checkers program. So the consumers attending the New Directions program are there involuntarily. So it's going to be that much harder to make a lasting impact on those consumers. And here's your contact information for New Directions and Checkers. Feel free to contact CBH Care at 201-646-0333 or go on their website, cbhcare.com. And there's their address. Here's all the referrals from the CBH Care website that I utilize in Wood and Tooley. And thank you very much for your time and attention.